Hi guys! After having some troubles with PDC, the parking distance system, I decided to change the front parking sensors and the problem still not solved. So today I'm gonna replace the PDC module. This is the part number. I find it, and this is the correct part number for the 2007 ML 320. I have read in subforums that the module is located under the driver's seat. Some others said it's under the dashboard, and others said it's under the passenger seat. So after take a look trying to find the module, I am sure it's under the driver's seat on left-hand drive cars. And I'm pretty sure on right-hand drive cars, the module is in the same location, under the front passenger seat. First of all, we remove the bottom rear seat because we need to remove the carpet, and this will help. This bolt and that bolt. Now we're gonna remove the driver's seat. Now the seat is loose and we can move forward, and he will touch us to the steering wheel to the maximum to make room to stand up the carpet. And for this we need to remove these seals, these covers. Remove the front one, two. And now we have enough place to move the carpet up and access to the module. You can see this black cover, and so that's the location of the famous module that everybody wants to know where it is, and finally we found.